everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take care of something that's been annoying me on the Chevy S10, and it's a rattling tailgate. I replaced it, and when I'm driving along, all you hear is that. What I came to find out was that you need some bushings on here and here that are missing, and also here on the body mounts. So I ordered a set from LMC truck. I'm gonna put it on and see if that takes care of the issue. Light, I don't know if it's a nut on the other side or is it like a nut circle or something. I want to be sure. These are the little rubber bushings that go on here and on the tailgate. The other one, this one is fairly simple, just slide down there like so. So, and the last two are right here. These are the little rubber grommets that go in there. Should help with the vibrations. Right in. These are the part numbers just in case you need it. These are the 4 for the 2 that go on the strikers and 2 that go on the tailgate. And this is for the 2 bumps that go on the actual bed of the truck. I got these from LMC Truck, but not sponsored. You could get them anywhere. This GM wants for. Now let's see if this doesn't rattle. Oh, look at that, beautiful. No rattling whatsoever. Oh, that is perfect. That is perfect. Well, that was gonna be it for this video. It's just short and sweet. Just repairing the rattling tailgate in the S10. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.